Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to list your ticket for sale on Gametime app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on sale at the bottom. You will see a list of events you have ticket for. Tap the event that you want to sell tickets for. Make sure you select the correct event so buyers know exactly what they are purchasing. Next, select the ticket you want to sell. Enter your selling price. Gametime can suggest a competitive price based on current market value. Double check your price so it works for you. Review all the details of your listing including seat number, ticket quantity and price. Once everything looks good, tap list ticket or post for sale. Your tickets are now live and available for buyers to purchase. And that's it. You have successfully listed your ticket for sale on Gametime app using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.